Have you ever traveled in Emirates first class ever?
No, actually I have. But that was way back.
The private suite and
No, first class as in half business class, not first class.
okay. Because first class they say they have that private suite, chair, then a bed.
No. Only business class. And this was when I was in Gurgaon. So I used to go to New York quite often. Sounds like through Abu Dhabi.
Oh, okay. So you can clear the immigration process in Abu Dhabi itself, right?
All done. Should have completely forgotten about that. That's part of my life. This year also, how fast it's gone to me.
Oh yes. It was actually quite fast this year.
Before you realize, gone.
So the day before they made us permanent in the company for 18 years.
How does that work? So permanent, what's the benefit of it? You get retirement benefit.
Yes, retirement benefits and there is a 17% increase in the salary and
Right.
basic. Not 17, almost 18, 20%.
So for now, up until now, you were on contract.
Every year they renew the
They will
contract.
renew.
And being a contract, the issue is that it's entirely up to my manager whether to renew my contract and the contract or not. So if there is any panka, you are they won't do anything, but they're not thrown out anyone like that. But still, it's there in the back of your head. Like,
Always there, correct? But for women, I think it's still easier in the sense, see, you get thrown out. There won't be any question. But if a woman gets thrown out, and if she files for harassment and stuff, it happens in a lot of cases. So generally there are 6-month contracts. You get contracts. The idea is to fill temporary capacity gap. And they also know it's written clearly in contract. So contract was not renewed. She filed a suit after 6 months, saying everything was fine. They told me verbally that they were renewed, but they did not renew. Even now that case is still continues for our faith because we have the right to terminate. But no, it went into the court and court, of course, will take the woman's side. So the lawyer said there are two ways to handle it. Our lawyer, either we hire her back or pay her money for the next 6 months and ask her. So hiring manager said, a person like this I don't want in my team. If she is willing to do all of this, then what drama will she create when she comes? So we paid 6 months. 6 months full salary, not even basic and all. Full salary.
goodness.
Exactly. Despite knowing that we will win the case, we said the amount we will spend in courts and stuff. And plus that,
Back payments?
I don't know, what if she goes to LinkedIn and posts?
Oh yeah.
Nobody will look at your side of the story. They will immediately assume company is wrong.
What's favoring women is too much, I believe, nowadays. My cousin, she's a cousin sister. She's an advocate, okay, so she handles these court cases. And most of her clients are male. And it's most of them it's divorce cases. So she tells me like some of them they are very rich. These guys are very rich, and girls somehow I don't know how these girls find out these guys, and they will get married, and they will wantonly they will create trouble at home. And they'll make sure it's less than 1 year it seems.
Hmm.
Within 1 year, they will create some issue, and more than 6 months. So there's some sort of within 6 months or something, the compensation rate is less or something.
Yeah.
After 6 months, they will file divorce and straight away.
Dowry harassment.
Harassment.
Some harassment.
And there's few cases where the same girl, she would have married at least 3 or 4 guys. She would have got divorced, and she's getting compensation from all of them.
What is the court doing? Are they not supposed to look at all these things before deciding? Like if that girl is getting maintenance from 5 different men, is that even alright?
So according to her, court won't consider the previous cases unless it's a criminal case.
Take it.
They won't consider the history. So unless it's a criminal case like something harmful to the, this is mentally harmful, physical abuse and all, they won't consider it. But same way, if it's narcotics or any drugs or anything, no, even 1 gram is enough to ruin it.
Truly. One of my very close friends from India, he got married within a year. Wife started claiming, oh no, why is that? No, I was forcibly married. I have this guy who I was in love with. I want to go with him. After almost 1 year, she said. Then he talked more and more, and he figured out that this girl wanted to settle down in the US, and she had assumed my friend will go to the US. So this guy used to travel a lot. Salesman, international sales he is, but mostly in African region. That's where his sales is mostly. So she assumed that if he pushes a little more, he'll go to the US, and she had dreamed of a life. Once it became clear that he's not going, then she said, no, it's not. So he said, if you find it's not working, let's get divorced. She went back home, and he gets a legal notice saying sexual harassment, dowry harassment, all of that, everything that you can throw on the person, everything is thrown at him. And then he had to give up his 2 houses in Vizag. And then plus for 7 years he's supposed to pay maintenance.
After this house is set.
Maintenance and 7 years because this girl is working. 7 years maintenance she has to give. And after 7 years, the maintenance is 50% of his salary.
Right.
So he's staying on rent like a very tiny house now, paying 10k per month rent. Imagine what kind of a house will be. That fellow who used to own 3 big houses. He's completely shaken up. Totally anti-women he has become.
Yeah, we can't blame him, no? If somebody goes through such a tough situation. Issue happened in Bangalore, no? That one woman was claiming 1.8 lakhs. You saw that?
Yeah, report case, no?
Yeah. 1.8 lakhs maintenance safety.
You remember that guy who ran away from his home? There was one guy.
Yeah. He was found no, later.